Hi, I'm Mael, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Every time I start a new video, I get this mix of excitement and curiosity because it means I get to share another pair of heels that feels special in its own way. Welcome back if you've joined me before, and if this is your first time, I'm really glad you decided to stop by and spend a little time here. Today's video is about a pair of platform Peep toe heels that immediately caught my attention. The first thing that stands out is the bright white finish, clean and striking, almost like it was made to be noticed. They have a bold silhouette, with a high platform that gives them an impressive shape while still balancing the look. The slim heel complements the platform so well, creating that mix of power and elegance that I love in heels. What I also enjoy is the ankle strap. It adds a touch of softness and security, giving the feeling of stability, but also highlighting the ankle in a delicate way. And then there's the peep toe detail, just enough to make them playful, without losing sophistication. It feels like the perfect balance between classic elegance and modern style. When I first saw them, I instantly thought of how they could transform even a simple outfit. These heels are the kind that can take a casual dress or even a pair of fitted pants and elevate everything, making it look instantly more glamorous and confident. That's the beauty of platform peep toe heels. They are not just shoes, they are a statement. In this video, I'll be trying them on for the first time and sharing my impressions with you, so we can discover together if they are as comfortable and versatile as they look. I'm excited to see how they feel and how they complete the overall look. The first impression when I start using these platform peep toe heels is the unique mix of elegance and stability that they bring. At first, the height looks intimidating, but once I'm standing in them, the platform really balances everything out. The posture change is noticeable. My legs feel longer, and even the way I move becomes more confident. That sensation of gaining extra height without feeling trapped or forced is very special, because many heels can look beautiful, but quickly become uncomfortable. With these, I feel the design has been thought out to combine the boldness of high heels with enough support to make the experience enjoyable. The open peep toe design adds a playful detail, letting just enough show without being too revealing, which makes them versatile for both casual and more elegant moments. As I walk a little more in them, I notice how much the ankle strap matters. It gives me security and stability, almost like an anchor, but it doesn't feel restrictive at all. Instead, it makes me relax into each step because I know the shoe is not going anywhere. That confidence is what allows me to appreciate the look and the sensation at the same time. The platform is high, but because of the way the shoe is built, it doesn't feel as steep as stilettos. That's one of the main reasons I enjoy platforms. They combine height with comfort in a way that few other designs do. It almost feels like cheating a little, because I get all the visual drama of a tall heel while avoiding some of the pressure that normally comes with it. I also love how these shoes can completely transform the way an outfit feels. Imagine something as simple as jeans or a summer dress. The moment you add platform peep toe heels, the entire look changes. They bring energy, they bring glamour, and they make something casual look much more intentional. That's one of the magical aspects of high heels in general. They are not just footwear, they are tools of expression. They say something about the mood, about the confidence, about the moment you are living. And with this particular pair, the mix of platform, peep toe, and ankle strap feels like a very complete statement, one that blends practicality and style in equal parts. Talking about heels in general, I find it fascinating how each design reflects a different personality. Wedges often feel stable and summery. Stilettos carry that timeless elegance. Strappy sandals feel delicate and romantic, while platforms are bold and dramatic. These white platform peep toe heels, for example, feel like they belong to the bold side, but they don't sacrifice femininity. They carry a sense of presence, as if they were meant to stand out, but at the same time, they remain wearable. It's that balance that makes me enjoy them so much, because I can see them being useful in different settings, from a casual evening out to a special event where making an impression matters. Wearing them is not just about adding height, it's about enjoying the way they make me feel. Confident, stylish, and expressive. After spending enough time in these platform peep toe heels, I can honestly say they have impressed me in every way. The balance between height and comfort is what makes them special. The platform softens the steepness of the heel, which allows me to enjoy the confidence of standing tall without feeling any unnecessary strain. The open peep toe detail is playful and adds a touch of femininity, while the ankle strap keeps everything secure. It's the kind of shoe that manages to look glamorous and dramatic, while still being practical enough to wear for more than just a few minutes. That's a rare combination, and it's one of the reasons this pair stands out to me. Overall, my review is very positive. These platform peep toe heels succeed at combining comfort, design, and style in a way that many other shoes simply don't. They are bold but wearable, stylish but functional, and they make me feel confident every time I slip into them. If you're someone who enjoys heels that make a statement while still being comfortable, I think this design is a wonderful choice. It really shows that high heels can be powerful, beautiful, and enjoyable at the same time. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope you enjoyed this little review as much as I did, sharing my thoughts with you. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a kind comment, and give it a like. It means so much and helps me keep creating more content for you. I can't wait to see you again very soon with another pair of heels to explore together. Until then, take care and see you in the next video.